Hey friends, Satnam. Let's talk about something important. Is Kundalini Yoga safe? And what's the deal with all these viral videos where someone waves their hands over another person and suddenly they're shaking and convulsing from so-called Kundalini activation? Let's clear it all up with honesty, grounded wisdom, and no sensationalism. Myth number one. Kundalini is dangerous. That's a long-standing myth that Kundalini is dangerous or should only be approached with extreme caution. Yes, Kundalini energy is powerful, but so is breath, so is grief, so is birth. Power does not equal danger. Kundalini Yoga, as taught through traditional and safe lineages like that of Yogi Bhajan and others, gives you tools and structure, breathwork, mantra, movement, meditation, to gently awaken and circulate this energy with awareness. It's not about blasting open your crown chakra in 5 minutes. It's about building your nervous system, your capacity, your grounding. Myth number two. Kundalini is wild and uncontrollable. You've probably seen dramatic videos where someone activates someone else's Kundalini by hovering their hands over them, and suddenly the person starts convulsing, twitching, or falling apart emotionally. Let me be clear. That's not Kundalini Yoga. And in most cases, it's not even a healthy or integrated energetic experience. True Kundalini awakening is subtle, sacred, and deeply personal. Doesn't require drama. It doesn't involve someone else zapping you with their energy. And it certainly doesn't bypass your own inner consent or self-regulation. Why can it feel intense? Well, yes. Sometimes as you do the work, some things come up. Repressed emotions, trauma, deep fatigue, grief. That's not Kundalini hurting you. That's your nervous system unpacking what's been stored. And that's why we go slow. That's why we prepare the body with breath, mantra, meditation. That's why the tradition emphasizes stability over spectacle. Bottom line, is Kundalini safe? When practiced with integrity, through proper lineage, and with respect for your own pace, Kundalini Yoga is safe, healing, and life-changing. But when approached like a party trick or used to chase extreme spiritual highs without grounding, anything, even breath work, can become destabilizing. So don't be fooled by theatrical TikToks. Spiritual awakening is not a show. It's a devotional practice of remembering who you are, breath by breath, practice by practice. If you're curious about Kundalini Yoga, I'm inviting you to try our classes here at the Kundalini Sanctuary, which are always beginner-friendly. We start with breath, mantra, we start with stillness. Let the energy unfold when you are ready, not when someone waves their fingers over your third eye. Satnam, truth is your identity. Stay rooted in it.